machine learning day would not be as fun if we were not hanging out with Sanjay. And man, it is good to see you. And out of all the people we've spoken to, there's a lot of us that have a lot to be grateful on ML Day. This guy is definitely one of them. And I'm sure ML helped with kind of getting you back on your feet. So welcome to ML Day, man. Let's always celebrate.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a pleasure to be here, And thanks for arranging this ML Day, Thanks. I know you are working hard on this forever, right?
I agree in the sense that we have every other day, all we do is clean data and work on ETLs. So I figured maybe one day we could party.
Absolutely. Yes.
So when you think about what's going on and we just want to celebrate an achievement, like again, I talk about, for me, it's like my Spotify mix or my email auto fill. Like there's some great, like what are the little things that you just, I can't believe like the machine just did that. Like what is it in your life that we celebrate?
So one of the things I want to share with you is the recommendation engines. For Netflix, I am a very big movie buff. And initially I was to think, oh, it is not working out. I am watching action movies and they are giving me romantic, movies. But very soon I can see that they are exactly recommending what I want to watch. It was fantastic to see the field that I am working on and what the real life applications are. So it is amazing, man, the recommendation. And
I want to talk about that for a second, because I'm going to tell you how good and bad it is. So my nephew came over and was watching a few movies on Netflix. Mm-hmm. He screwed up my recommendation engine. Have you seen that?
Yes.
I just don't want anyone using it almost like it as a guest when I have guests over.
That was the biggest feedback to Netflix. That is why now they have all these accounts. So you can have your own account. Your nephew can have his account or the kids section. Even they have a section for pets. And I use that to watch the K9, with Jim Belushi, right?
Yeah, of course. I love it. So I love that we're going to celebrate movies and the referral engine, because that little referral engine also equals what happens on Amazon when you shop, when you go to Bloomingdale's, when you shop, when you go on LinkedIn to meet. I mean, the recommendation engine.
Yes.
It is, I think, a moment we should celebrate on ML Day because it's freaking good.
Even for the music, right?
Oh, yep.
Spotify. I use Spotify, and once the initial training period was done, now it is recommending what I want to, listen, right? Yep.
That's I think that's a lot to right. Now, the challenge that I'm going to say to everyone that's listening is, if you use Netflix, now go to YouTube TV or YouTube and start something from fresh. Now that you see what's working, now just you can also experience a different platform, because then you can really experience how good recommendations are is when you start that cold start. So I love this conversation. It's great to.
And it is not a plug for Oracle, but we have come out with some API services, right?
I love it.
Exactly, we are trying to address that so that you don't have to start from the scratch.
Wow.
Yeah, so we can have a separate session on that.
I like that. No, I like that. We're going to be teasing that.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Man, it's good to see you. Welcome to the day.
Thank you,
sir. It's going to be a good day.
It is always a pleasure to have
It's good to see you. I know. All right. Well, let's go kick some butt on this day, man. Let's go listen. Let's go watch some TV.
Absolutely. I am all for that.